Hello YouTube. Today I have this stick vacuum from Dirt Devil for today's video, and I've tried a lot of vacuum from Dirt Devil. They have different ranges depending on what kind of need you have or how much you're trying to spend, and this is kind of under $100, and I've never tried a stick vacuum, so this is gonna be interesting, and I'm just trying how this is gonna be different than the regular vacuum, like the upright vacuum. So this one comes with loaded with a lot of features, and as you can see, it's full power plus all around clean. As the picture shows, you can see here the body is kind of like a tube on the top and regular housing on the bottom floor, and it has this vacuum container over here. I think this is probably you just wanted to use it as a hand vacuum. So like as you can see in the picture, it's got very easy way of using into those corners or different areas where it's hard to move up and front and back, or vice versa. And same thing here. This is power stick vacuum. You got 3-in-1 coated stick vacuum as the title here. So you can use it for multiple floors. You can use it for carpet, stairs, and I would say this is gonna be very good when you're trying to vacuum your stairs. The shape and the design is very easy to carry around, so it's gonna be easy when you're trying to clean the floors or stairs, as well as the upper ceiling or upper part of your walls. And you can see here, you can detach it and use it as a hand vacuum. This is going to be very good if you're trying to clean your sofas. So yep, so it has full power plus all around clean. It's very convenient hand vacuum mode. That's one of the features it has. It can really help you to reach those places above the floor where you can clean, as you can see in the picture. Powered stair cleaning, like I mentioned earlier, and you can see it has this multi-floor pattern of cleaning, lightweight. It comes with 3-year warranty, very easy to assemble. It's got this swivel steering system here, and you get a hand vacuum, your powered wand, and your carpet nozzle, your stair tool and crevice tool here, and your hand vacuum mode here, your swivel steering system here. That way you can kind of turn it different ways. It's got this Sprint Pro Premium brush roll for carpets, hard floor over here. So it's gonna be really good when you're trying to use on the hard floor. And it's got this technology, direct path technology, for you to get that dirt and dust from the floors. It's a powerful suction, and it has lightweight design, so easy empty dirt cup here, and it's got this rinseable filter, so you don't need tools to assemble, which is really good. So I'm going to see what's inside the box. I've shown you everything as part of the demonstration on the outer box. Down here, just nothing in the box. So your that's your cord, and the user manual. It kind of gives you a quick guide how to set it up, how to assemble. I got some caution instructions here. So I'm not gonna go through this guide, but you can see whatever details you need. And so this is the upper part, as you can see in the picture here. So this is your hand back. Pretty nice design. So it's got cord attached here. So this is gonna be your crevice tool, so that you can reach those narrow corners. Daredevil. So this is your power wand at the bottom when you clean the floor, and this is your swivel steering system here. And I think the next item I have, this is for your carpet nozzle. So that's your power wand, and this is your crevice tool here. So I'm gonna just assemble it. As you can see, you don't need any tool to set it up. It's got a bunch of things you can do. This is power on and off. So I'm just gonna start setting it up. As you can see in the picture here, so you should attach the one that doesn't have this switch here. So I'm just gonna push it here. Yeah, you can hear the click sound. So I'm just gonna, if you want to take it out, you just have to press it, and I'm gonna put it back again. Just line it up, see how the bottom is, and you just kind of line it up, and you can hear that click. The first part is set up now, and if you press this one, you can detach it. Next part is, so this is your carpet nozzle. You're gonna do the same thing. Make sure these kind of line up, and there you go. Now you can see a swivel steering system here, and these one you can use later whenever you want to use it for the so the first part, I'm gonna just turn it on so that you can see how it is used. So take the, this is a 3-in-1 vacuum, so you can just press this one, detach this. Now you can use it as hand vacuum. I'm just gonna take my wand here, and it kind of attached here. So now you can use it as hand vacuum. If you don't want to use that, you can still use it. So I kind of like this. So you can turn it, into stair vacuum or hard floor, or you can use that to upper ceiling, or you can use this hand vacuum mode just to clean your sofas. So I really kind of like this feature. So up here you have this section over here. You got this motor over here. You can see this release button here. Press this and this exhaust cover comes off, and you can clean this filter and put it back, and this is back again. You're going to put the crevice tool back here and start using the vacuum. I'm going to demonstrate how this swivel would work. So based on that, you can see it kind of turns like this way or that way. So there you go, guys. I hope this video helped you to decide whether this vacuum is good or not for your purpose. Thank you for watching this video.